Look at how broken this iPad is. I don't know if it got struck by lightning. We're gonna fix this in this video. Okay, here we go. The iPad looks like it was run over by a car or something, and I'm not even sure what happened with this iPad. Look at how damaged this is. We're gonna have to change the back case as well. Good thing is the motherboard is intact, the battery is also intact, and this video is gonna be a long one. Here we go. The LCD is already off. At least more than 50 screws that need to come off before I start swapping things out. Back case is second hand. I didn't want to get the brand new one. If I get the brand new one, it will be a copy version, and the copy version doesn't have any labels at the bottom there, so I got this one. I know 100% that this won't have any network issues. It has everything inside. All right, and then over here I have the screen as well. And the Face ID works. So I think right now everything should be good in okay. I'm just gonna remove my tabs there, and we can see the display, and you can see charging. Yeah, you can see my password works. Cameras work. Let's check. Okay, so camera works here, front camera works right over there. We got nice protective case for it, and also a screen protector. It's the whole fix. It's quite a little bit tedious, but then once you get it done, it's perfect. And to put it to the test, I already started editing the video, and I'm gonna finish editing this video. So if this video goes up, guys, it was edited using this very iPad that started out at the beginning as cracked, and then serviced, pimped out. And also what I like about this ergonomic case, guys, is you can use it in portrait mode just like that, and it works perfectly, or you can use it in landscape mode just like that. And I'll let you guys see it from the back as well. So you can use it in landscape mode as I am right now, and portrait mode as well. So that is pretty cool. Who would have known this is what started as a cracked iPad in the beginning of the video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Catch you in the next one.